Hello everyone, welcome back. This is part 1 of the ASP.NET Core tutorial. In this session, we will discuss what is ASP.NET Core, important features of ASP.NET Core, and advantages of using ASP.NET Core in the application development lifecycle. Let's see what is ASP.NET Core. ASP.NET Core is a free and open source web framework used to develop the next generation of ASP.NET applications. ASP.NET Core is developed and powered by Microsoft as well as community user base. It is a modular framework that has the capability to run on legacy.NET framework which runs on Windows as well as on cross-platform systems. Originally, it was called ASP.NET Next version, and then later it was supposed to be called as ASP.NET 5 once it is ready. However, Microsoft later changed the name to ASP.NET Core during the first release, and the first version was released on 17th May 2016. At this time of video recording, ASP.NET Core 2.0 is being used and it was released on 14th August 2017. The first question that comes into your mind, when do we need to use ASP.NET Core as we have the legacy ASP.NET applications? If you take a look at the comparison table given by Microsoft, it's fairly listed out when do we need to choose ASP.NET Core against ASP.NET. Now, if you take a look at the comparison table, it's easy to understand that we need to choose ASP.NET Core when we want to build applications for Windows, Mac, or Linux machines. We choose ASP.NET when we need to host the applications only on iOS and it's only built for Windows. Microsoft do recommend using Razor pages in ASP.NET Core applications, whereas if we need to build web forms or any other traditional web pages, it's recommended to use ASP.NET. We definitely need to use ASP.NET Core when we need to run multiple application versions on our machines. Also, we can develop applications using Visual Studio, Visual Studio for Mac, or Visual Studio Code using C#. Whereas for traditional ASP.NET, we can use only Visual Studio with C#, VB, or F# for any Windows hosted applications. Microsoft also states that .NET Core gives higher performance than ASP.NET. Of course, with this statement, we're not degrading the traditional ASP.NET performance. However, .NET Core has an added advantage of performance which is better than any traditional ASP.NET web applications. Applications developed on ASP.NET Core can run on iOS or any other operating systems, and they're also compatible to run on latest .NET framework. Now, after this comparison, you might be wondering, is ASP.NET Core replacement for ASP.NET? The answer is certainly not. In spite of these points, we can say that ASP.NET Core is not a replacement for .NET Framework, and we still need to use the .NET Framework applications when we need to use third-party .NET libraries where NuGet packages are not available for any .NET Core apps. Also, ASP.NET SignalR isn't available for ASP.NET Core at this moment. And of course, SignalR is scheduled for ASP.NET Core 2.1 release as per the roadmap of Microsoft releases. We still need to use ASP.NET as we don't have capability of WCF service implementations using ASP.NET Core at this point of time. However, the ASP.NET Core web applications can consume the WCF services, and they should not be a problem in the application development from the front end. Windows Workflow Foundation related services, WCF data services, and Windows Presentation Foundation is still running on the ASP.NET, and there are no plans to put them to the .NET Core. Now, if you're wondering why we need to choose ASP.NET Core, then I would like to mention and stress a point that cloud-based application development is picking up in these days, and using ASP.NET Core along with a blend of cloud is an additional advantage for any developer to learn ASP.NET Core applications. Also, Microsoft is moving towards community based application development rather than their traditional application development, which brings the changes faster to the ASP.NET Core and gives an advantage over the traditional ASP.NET applications. Hence, from our perspective, we believe learning ASP.NET Core is a key thing not only in the current era but the future application development is mostly dominated by community based development to bring in rapid and easy changes in the development life cycle. Now, with this, you might be still wondering why Microsoft has taken this direction towards platform independence and inclining towards Mac and Linux community, and why is Microsoft investing so much money in attracting non-Windows developers. First, we need to understand that in the application development lifecycle, it is unlikely that any developer or a company will use Microsoft SQL Server in their projects. And also, there is a very high chance that these web applications will end up somewhere on a Linux box or in Azure or in Amazon Web Services or on Google Cloud Platform. Hence, to enable the hosting of these applications, Microsoft is promoting the platform independent hosting along with the help of open source community development, and this process gives a bigger edge to Microsoft applications so that they can be developed using ASP.NET Core, leveraging on Angular, React, Razor, or any framework, as well as microservices which can be hosted on any platform. I hope this clarifies why Microsoft is proceeding towards the direction of ASP.NET Core. Hence, we recommend to learn ASP.NET Core web applications as this is the direction of future application development from Microsoft. Let's now take a look at the key features of ASP.NET Core. ASP.NET Core gives an improved support for cloud development, and it gives a greater facility with the NuGet based support. NuGet based approach support easy updates on the packages, and whenever a new version of the package is released, it's easy to integrate or update the package. This gives a bigger edge on development cycle as there is no need to upgrade the whole framework of the application. Hence, we believe this is a very important feature of ASP.NET Core. High performance is one of the greatest feature of ASP.NET Core with a modular framework. When we talk about modular framework, ASP.NET Core ships entirely as NuGet package, which improves security and performance of the solution and reduces servicing. Cross-platform compatibility is one of the best feature of ASP.NET Core, along with the flexibility of being an open source. And of course, as we discussed earlier, we have an hosting independence for the ASP.NET applications. It has got a built-in support for dependency injection as well, along with the support for JSON-based configurations. Unit testing is one of the important feature as well that is being covered in the ASP.NET Core, which is implemented using xunit.net. I hope now you got a good understanding about ASP.NET Core and when we need to choose ASP.NET Core versus traditional ASP.NET framework for the application development. In the next session, we will discuss how to create and run a web application using ASP.NET Core. Till then, thank you for listening and have a great day.